Good morning, guys. So today you're going to be rounding multi-digit numbers to any place using the vertical number line. And how we're going to do this is the first slide here you're going to have is your directions. You're going to watch the video on slide 3. So if you go to slide 3, you're going to watch this video. Make sure to watch it all the way through. Complete all the slides shown on the example video. If you do not watch this video, because this is of our Google Meet. This is of our Google Meet on Monday. So I went over how to do this. You will not understand how to answer the questions. And for example, this one states rounded to the nearest 10,000. Well, the 6 is a 10,000. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, well, there are 6 10,000s, one more 10,000 is 7 10,000s. Halfway in between is going to be 65 10,000s or 65,000s. And then I'm going to come down here. I'm going to type in the number that I'm supposed to have, 65,700. So 65,700 is right here. I'm going to go ahead and grab my dot. Where that would be placed on that number line would be here. So I will drag it over there. Remember to drag. You have to have all 4 arrows to be able to drag. Then I'm going to click down here and find my 4 arrows again. Drag it over here. That means it's going to be closer to 70,000. I'm going to click on that, go to my paint bucket, and I'm going to fill it green. So my answer should be 70,000. After I finish that, I am done with this slide. I can go to the next one. I will caution you because that was to the nearest 10,000. This is to the nearest 1,000. If you do not watch the video, you'll get confused. This is to the 100,000. This is to the 10,000. So you're going to have to go through on this one. It's a multi-step problem. You're going to estimate the sum by rounding each number to the given place value. So for example, in this one, you're going to have to round this number to the nearest 10,000. Then you're going to have to round this number to the nearest 10,000. And then you're going to have to add those together to get your answer. Remember, we do an RDW, read, draw, write. So if you need to use a piece of paper, that's fine. But your sentence to the answer should be written in here, along with what you would round those numbers to. Then you'd come down here using the same numbers and round it again. After you complete that whole lesson, you're going to go back to where you got onto this lesson on math. Of course, this is going to say reading, but you would go back to the math topic, which it's not posted yet. But if you go, like Miss Aircraft has it open, if you go back to the tab, you should have a submit button. So that's how you would turn that back in. You would turn that in to submit it. And once you're